Hi guys, welcome back to Codelenium, and this is part 2 of automating Wikipedia. So let's get into it. The last time we stopped here at script website. So now I'm just thinking what we should do next. Oh, sorry, we stopped at which is to type in the search bar, and then we clear the search bar. Let me show. It's this part here where I enter, and then I enter, and then I clear the search bar. So let's run that one time, see how it goes. Yeah, so it deleted Codelenium, and then we entered Selenium WebDriver. So that is the expected behavior, and then you can see all these. We have all the passes, including the type in then delete pass, and all the other scraping pass. So what I feel like doing is I feel like we haven't fully explored this page. Right. We didn't really click any of these other links. So I'm thinking if I feel like clicking every single link in here, just automating the clicks for all of these links in the home page. Doing like a click test for all the links. So we can do that. Yeah, let's probably start with English. And let me just set the timer for probably 30 minutes. Yeah, 30 minutes. So we just automate for 30 minutes. And then first thing I'll do is inspect all the elements. Okay. I'll inspect the element here. Then we'll select as help to make our life easier. And then just copy and paste. So I want to insert this code probably before I type in and search. So it will be at the start, right, before any of the searching actions happen. So okay, just copy these codes. Oh, shouldn't use this one. I should copy those that has a click action, like this one. Yeah. Then click search button. I'll change this to English. I mean, yeah, English. The X path. Is the ID? If there's ID, or it's ID. Okay, there's no ID, so I'll use X path. I'll give .X path. And then paste the X path. Click the English name class. And then I'll copy for all that might go back. And then I'll just copy all the other languages. How many I have? 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I have 10. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, let's start with this one. And assuming this is Russian, this is Spanish, Italian, Arabic, this is Japanese, Dutch, French, not sure, Chinese, Polish, should be, okay. So just change all the comments first. Italian, Arabic, um, Japanese. I hope I'm right. Please correct me if I'm wrong. What is this? Okay, I'll just put it first. Because I don't want to enter wrong. Say something wrong instead. Okay. After that, click. Now find the elements one by one. I just have to repeat the process of inspect. I mean, okay, I can save one action click. I can save one click by just doing right click, selectors hub, and then copy relative XPath. That saves time. Just, I mean, saves one click. But I guess having to repeat it for all the other links will be a bit, will take up a bit of time. So I'll just do this. So I'll change every link. Yes. Tell your next. Arabic mix. Well, Arabic one is longer. Interesting. Okay. Japanese next. Should zoom out a bit. So, not sure how to pronounce this, but I'll try not to say it. Yeah, French language. And Chinese language. And then Polish language. Okay. Okay, so all done. Next thing I have to do is just change the the message in the print lines. So currently we have all English links, so I have to change the respective languages. I mean, this isn't, the print lines are not necessary, but I just like to have them so that they give me some, positive feedback. Makes everything look nicer. And then I also know which lines to debug in case any of the actions go wrong. So it's a additional unnecessary step, some might say, but for me, I like having them. So okay, done that all. That's good. Okay, so the thing about clicking each link is when I click a link, it goes to this page, right? So I have to move one page back before I can click on the next link. So what I have to do is I have to do a driver dot navigate dot back. So what this method, this line does is it goes back to the previous page. So I copy this after clicking every single link. Ideally, it'll be better to use a loop, like a while loop or for loop. But in this case, because the links are all different, so I can't generate, can use a while loop effectively if I want to use it within the context of all these different links. Okay, so let's see how it works. Let's see if anything crashes. So far so good. Yeah. Okay, yeah, so all of those things executed successfully. Let's see, we get the pass, yeah. It just feels good to see all these passes, to be honest. Just seeing the passes just pile up. So as the program grows and the more we automate, it's nice to see all these passes in the console. So it's, yeah. So I haven't, okay, I want to show, probably I feel like showing what happens if it doesn't pass, and then how I can debug. So let's simulate this clicking the Spanish link fails, right? So I just want to make it fail, so I'll add random characters, and then I'll run. Then you can see that the Spanish link will not pass. Yeah. So you see it stops at click the Russian link pass. And then after that it says unable to locate the element with blah 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 blah. So without seeing this error, just looking at the print line alone, I know that I have to look at the Russian link after the Russian link. I have to look at after the Russian link. So this is the Russian link. So I know that I have to debug whatever that's after the Russian link. So which is here, right? So that's why the print line is useful for me personally. So I just want to remove that and run again. And everything should run properly. Yeah. Then everything passed. Okay, cool. Very cool. So what shall we automate next? So we've automated all these, automated this as well. Wikipedia language. What does this do? I'm not sure what this is for. Never mind. So we can move on to the bottom elements on our work. If I click on this, it brings us here. Yeah, why not? Just for the fun of it, we just click all the other remaining links. So we have this, and all of these menu items here, and as well as all these below. Okay, let's just continue clicking, automating the clicks. So again, another ideal case is the page object model design pattern. So ideally, ideally, it would be good to have all these, whatever I just automated just now, all these to be in a separate Java class. And in this separate Java class, ideally, we should call it the homepage. And in the Java class, it's just all of these elements and whatever actions that are related to all these elements to be to be within the Java class. So by right, everything here, everything here, everything above here, right, is all homepage class, ideally. Everything inside here will be in the homepage class. But since I'm doing this on the go and not really having a fixed plan, like this is what I'm doing, just putting everything in one big class. So ideally it would be good to have separate classes for each page. So then, like if I type here Codelenium, no, if I type this Selenium and then this new page, oh no, this is not the one, because I want to go to the search results page. So I search this, we'll go into the search results page. So this search results page will also be another Java class on its own, right? So let me just type that. This will be search results page. Again, this is all following the page object model design pattern. So it will make the code a lot more cleaner, maintainable, and also reusable. Yeah. But for now, I'm just going to batch it in this way instead of creating those classes. Yeah. Probably might do that in a later episode, a later part. So it might actually dive deeper into page object model, and then we might have to go into encapsulation and things like that. But that's probably for another time. It's okay. Okay, so we have here homepage. Let us continue automating the rest. So if you want to automate this, click next. Select this up. I want to select result that is 1, and this relative X path looks good. But before I do that, I want to use the code, and this should come in before I search. So it should be here. And upon this, click the what should I call this? Support our work. Click the support our work link. Yeah. Support our work link. And then I will copy the path and change this to dot xpath, and then paste the xpath inside. Then change this. Change the print line. Our link pass, and then this will bring us to the next page, right? So I need to go back to the previous page. So that will be in this page again. So now for all the remaining items, let me count how many are there. Okay, so there's 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, 12, 13, 14. So we have 14 to copy paste. We have to copy and paste this 14 times. To automate the rest of the things you want to click. 1, 2, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay, yeah, let me think if there's a better way to do this instead of copying and pasting. Where is a loop? I wish I could, but it's just that there are different locators for each, so it's not feasible. But it's okay anyway. Moving on to picking the next item is download Wikipedia. Yeah. Okay. Then this one is comments. Okay. Then wiki branch. Then dictionary. Link. Get the wiki books. Then click the wiki news link. Click the wiki data. Wiki. This is quite tedious, but it's okay. Video wiki. Then wiki false. Yeah, so Selenium isn't all that, you know, complicated until you encounter like more interesting cases like dynamic elements or iframes. Because so far it's been quite basic, so we haven't encountered any exceptions yet. So when we do encounter exceptions, then that'll be even more interesting to debug those exceptions. But yeah, as long as you do everything in a systematic manner like this, you can see that the progress will be a bit more smooth. Just that it would take longer if you want to print line every single thing. Some people might discourage that also, but I guess for me, I like having it this way. Okay, so for that, we already copy pasted everything. So what's next is changing the print line. So just go and copy every single one. Comments. Okay, via then the dictionary. And keyboard. Yeah. So if you guys want, if you guys need any help with Selenium, I also have a coaching service that I provide, and you can also subscribe to be a member of Codelenium in my Ko-fi page, which I have all these links in the description. So if you need any help, Codelenium can help you with all your Selenium automation needs. And if you guys have any quick questions you want me to answer, you can always comment it below. Okay. Almost there, guys. Almost there. Access with results. Species. Functions. Telling. Yeah, I'm just thinking about all the past messages in the console. It'll be a long list of passes, and it'll just look good and feel good to have all the that long list of passes. Okay, so the next thing is to do is to just obtain every single locator by doing the right click and inspect method. Okay, so let's take export one, paste, zoom out a bit, and we can just you can save one click by just right click and then just copy the relative export straight instead of having to inspect it first. So if anything breaks, then you can always debug it afterwards. No, there should be an AI tool for this. You know, there should be an AI tool to automate like all these getting the locators for each element. You'll save a lot of time to have an AI that can, an AI tool that can automatically retrieve all these. Or maybe there's a tool out there. Maybe I just don't know it yet. But if you do know about it, you can comment below what the tool is, and I can go check it out, and everybody else can go check it out also. And then we can all save our time coding. News. Oops, okay, copy it. Then Wikipedia. University. Code. And so for those of you who are not sure what Selenium is for, it's mainly a test automation tool. I mean, primarily was designed to be used for test automation because we have a lot of test cases to execute. So imagine if you're a manual tester and then you have to test all these button clicks and all these test cases manually. It will take a lot of time to manually test, right? And especially for multiple browsers you have to do. So automating all that using Selenium was the solution and the idea for saving manual testers time and effort. So the Codelenium podcast will dive deeper into what Selenium is and who it's for, and go deeper into what Selenium is. So you can watch the podcast if you want to know more about Selenium. Key species, key functions. And if you are interested in this this code that I'm writing now, I'll make it available in the Codelenium Ko-fi page. So members will have access to all my codes, including this one. And membership is just I'm trying. Yeah, so membership is just at $5 per month. And at that value, you will get all these Codelenium scripts, and also you will get access to an ebook, which is coming up soon. Now, I'm going to release an ebook soon. I'm not really sure when the date for that is, but it will be soon. Okay. So I copy and pasted everything. I think everything looks good for now, unless I missed out something. So I will just run this and see what happens. Okay, so we're clicking the links now. And then there's one error. the support, click the support our work link. So after clicking support our link, we have an error which says we cannot locate this download Wikipedia for Android. Okay, so this is our first exception that we're going to debug. So I'll inspect again, and then I'll see the relative XPath. Can I enter? Yes, there's one element matching. I just want to see if it points to the right one. Okay, so this is for this one, right? I just want to compare if they're both the same. Download Wikipedia from Android phones. Yeah, so they're both the same. And then if that is good, then I'll run again just to make sure that it happens again. Okay, so it does happen again. So my next step that I will do is I want to freeze that page so I can inspect it during the execution. So I want to freeze it by not closing. So I do not want to close the driver. I just want it to stay at that moment. Okay, so it does open. See? Okay, so this is after support our work, right? Oh no. Oh wait, it is. Oh, I think I get it. So because it it opens in a new tab. That's why. So when it opens in a new tab, I click. I said I want to go back, but it doesn't go back, right? Because it's in a new tab instead. So we should close the tab instead. Yeah. Okay. So for that, we will continue. Okay, wait. So I should just leave a comment over here. Where is that? It was support our. Yes. So it's here. So I will just say that I stopped here. Step of using driver.navigate.back method. Yeah, because it is now already time to end this, so we will continue like this, closing the tab in the next part. So if you like this content, please like and subscribe so you know when the next part releases. Okay. Bye. Thank you.